This lesson will be going over Unit 3.3, Costs and Revenues. Now, let's start off with costs. Costs are the charges that an organization has for its operations. There's fixed costs and variable costs. Fixed costs are costs that do not change based on output. They have to be paid irrespective of how much product or goods is produced or sold. Whereas variable costs are expenditures that alter based on the output. Higher the output, higher the cost. Total cost is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. And the average cost of production would be the total cost divided by the number of units. Costs can also be broken up into two additional categories, which are direct and indirect. Direct costs are items of expenditures directly linked with the sale of a good or service. These are, let's say, the specific material of a pen. The indirect costs are costs that cannot be easily identifiable with the sale of a specific good or service, which means that these costs do not literally impact the cost of how much maybe it takes to produce a pen. Total revenue is, now moving on to revenues, total revenue is the sum of income received by the business from its activities. Do not mistake this for profit. This total revenue is equal to price times quantity of the goods sold. Average revenue is the amount of money received per unit, which would be price or total revenue divided by the quantity. And you have revenue streams, which are the different sources from which a business has cash inflow. This is sales revenue being the most common. However, it may have this from renting out land and things as such. It's literally anywhere that business has revenue coming in.